get the accommodation in our Tripura Bhavan, where security will be there, and moreover, they will feel very free to stay here. Only 24 rooms, along with the big hall, which is being used as dormitory for the students or for players and all these things. Now, so I requested him that we need more spaces in Delhi, and he had sanctioned. And Dwarka also I had gone there twice or thrice, and there we have the space of about 3,000 square meter, and there about 60 rooms will be constructed. So, drawing design already have made, some forest clearance and other clearance, or you are supporter of that particular regime, you will not get the room. And that was there. So we have to hire some rooms in some hotels, and the places were very insecure too. People wanted that I should be Telangana, belongs to Tripura. So because of his initiation, it had been made. I would like to give him a big thank. We are trying our best to do something for the people of Tripura. So in that line and in that mind, today, as because we have found this space, so we thought this, and we stand at the second best. So far, this GST is concerned in Northeastern region. Per capita income, if we talk about, then we are the second best in Northeastern region. If we say this regarding NITI, they have already given us the certificate that now Tripura is supposed to be the front runner state in Tripura. So far, law, because from Tripura, people used to come to Delhi, and there are lack of spaces in Tripura Bhavan. So I was roaming to and fro. I visited here and another this Tripura Bhavan in Koitulumar. So there are some restrictions also, because you cannot make the building too much high because of some security reason, So when I found that room, that space, I talked to the officers over here, whatever it may be, why not this could be extended? So that we have done. The history, if we go back of Tripura Bhavan's history, on 1st September 1981, the first Tripura Bhavan was established at Koitulumar. And in 2002, the second Tripura Bhavan had been Secondary Mark was extended. Later on, Koitulumar was demolished and rebuilt in 2012. Now presently, the facility consists of manor they are going to construct. So you will not feel that it is something new building. It will be at the same level, but the entry and the exit would be from this corridor, and I don't know whether they are making or not. Activity was one stage where today we are going to lay the foundation stone. That is NXT of being together with Mark. You see, if you think for ourselves also, in my life several times during our student life or for some other purposes, for our children's too, we have visited Delhi several times. But because of lack of accommodations in Tripura Bhavan or some other reasons also, until unless you belong to